The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse SC with Track Pack is Ford's most track-focused, road-legal Mustang yet, featuring a supercharged 5.2L V8, advanced aerodynamics, and race-derived technology from the GT3 and GTD programs. The Track Pack adds extensive weight reduction, carbon ceramic brakes, MagneRide suspension, and Michelin Cup 2 tires for maximum circuit performance. Key highlights: engine, transmission, supercharged 5.2L V8 delivering extreme horsepower, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission for rapid shifts. Track Pack features MagneRide adaptive suspension tuned for track precision, carbon ceramic Brembo brakes for fade-free stopping power, Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires for maximum grip, weight reduction and aero upgrades including carbon fiber elements to design and aerodynamics, aggressive aero kit inspired by Mustang GT3 and GTD race cars, exclusive carbon fiber accents and Track Pack styling cues, performance development. Tested at Sebring and Virginia International Raceway alongside GT3 and GTD programs. Direct data sharing between Ford racing and road car engineers ensures authentic race-bred engineering. Considerations and trade-offs. Price and exclusivity. The first Dark Horse SC sold for $1.25 million at auction, making it one of the most expensive Mustangs ever. Expect limited availability and premium pricing. Road use versus track use. While road legal, the Track Pack prioritizes circuit performance, which may compromise comfort for daily driving. Competition. Positioned between the Dark Horse Performance Package and the ultra-exclusive Mustang GTD, making it a sweet spot for enthusiasts who want race-level engineering without GTD's supercar price. Summary: the 2026 Mustang Dark Horse SC Track Pack is essentially a race car for the road, blending supercharged power, GT3/GTD-derived tech, and track-optimized hardware. It's the most advanced Dark Horse yet, designed for enthusiasts who want uncompromising performance and exclusivity.